Linking your bank account to Acorns is a straightforward process that allows you to invest your spare change automatically. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Open the Acorns app. Download and open the Acorns app on your mobile device. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one by providing your email and setting up a password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top corner of the app. From there, find and select Account settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Select bank account linking. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose your bank. You will be prompted to search for your bank. Type in the name of your bank or select it from the list provided. Follow the prompts to enter your bank login credentials securely. Step 5. Confirm and finalize. After entering your bank details, you may need to verify your identity through a code sent to your phone or email. Once verified, confirm the linking process, and your bank account will be connected to Acorns. Now you can start investing with ease. If you have any questions or run into issues, refer to the Acorns help section or customer support for assistance.